Governor of Edo State, Senator Monday Okpebholo don tok say the new governing councils wey dem swear in for the Persons with Disabilities Commission, Edo University Yamu, and Edo State House of Assembly Service Commission go make sure say dem do their work well. The governor yarned this one after they swear in the three groups for Festival Hall inside Government House, Benin City. In talk said the work wey dem give the new bodies not be small thing and make them work according to the law wey dey govern the state. Governor Okpebholo to the Edo State Commission for Persons with Disability, wey dey led by Theophilus Egboodion, say in government dey committed to make sure say everybody dey included. E con tok say no be anybody force say dem get challenge, say their challenge no mean say dem no go fit do anything, say we go work together for better Edo State. To the Governing Council of Edo University Yamu, where Professor Olusegun Akiyika lead, Oga Governor tok say the way dem select the council members na sake of say they wan bring in people wey get better track record to move the university forward. Governor Okpebholo tok say the work wey dem give the new members no go easy, but make dem follow the law.
The task ahead of you is enormous. I charge you to discharge your duty in accordance to the law that governs the state. I want to thank you. I want to welcome you to the fold. The disabled, you know your tax. There's no discrimination with this administration. We are all one. The condition which you find yourself is not made by you. Circumstances. And I believe with you in our government, we'll be able to relate with others well. Even if it's physical, but your mind, you are not disabled. I want to also thank you, and I promise that I'll work with you in peace, and all your requests will be looked into. For the University Governing Council, these are well selected people to govern the affairs of that school. As a member, chairman of this Governing Council, we believe the school will do very well. As we inaugurate it today, a new dawn for Yamu University, and we believe the school will now get to an enviable height. I also charge you to discharge your duty with the fear of God.
The chairperson, Honorable Ezehi Igbaz, Edo State House of Assembly Service Commission, Oga Theophilus Egboodion, Edo State Commission for Persons with Disabilities, and Professor Olusegun Akiyika, Edo University Yamu, thank the governor for their appointment, and they can promise say them go work closely within government to make sure say everything go well.
I am deeply honored to stand before you today as the chairman of the Edo State House of Assembly Service Commission. I am honored. And on behalf of the newly sworn-in members of this great commission, we are profoundly grateful to His Excellency for finding us worthy to be appointed into this office. We are humbled because of the trust Mr. Governor has reposed in us by this appointment. I want to assure you, Your Excellency, that we will surely justify this trust. We are dedicated to upholding the highest principle of transparency, accountability, and fairness in our service to our dear states. Let it be noted that our primary goal is to ensure the successful implementation of Mr. Governor's 5-point agenda, the Project Shine. We will work assiduously to ensure that the Project Shine cascade across the length and breadth of the Edo State House of Assembly Service Commission, and by extension, other sectors that is directly or indirectly related to our commission. By doing this, and for us to achieve this, we will be working closely with His Excellency, the House of Assembly, and other stakeholders. Your Excellency, we want to pledge our unalloyed loyalty to you and your government. We will not take this appointment for granted. This trust that you have bestowed upon us. Finally, Your Excellency, we will work assiduously to ensure that we meet your expectations.
With the help of this commission, for you to establish this commission for people with disability Edo State. All the people with disability Edo State will say it shall be well with you. It shall be well with you. I promise you, with the help of this commission, all the physical challenges in Edo State were able to touch their lives. By the grace of God, I will help you to move this state to the next level. Thank you. Thank you. God bless you.
On behalf of the members of the Governing Council of Edo University, just inaugurated by His Excellency, it is an honor and privilege to be invited to be part of the drive of His Excellency for qualitative higher education in Edo State. We are grateful for the unflinching confidence reposed in us by His Excellency and the State Executive Council to serve the good people of Edo State. We pledge to do all in our powers, God helping us to reposition Edo University to implement the transformative agenda by revamping the core mandate of teaching, research, and community service, including the provision of high-end medical care. Council hopes that the state government will assist in the revitalization of the teaching hospital that will drive our organ transplantation program in the teaching hospital. It is our desire to work harmoniously with the university management, staff, and students to build an institution that would exceed its potential. I have no doubt that the diverse team constituted and inaugurated by His Excellency is experienced, focused, committed, and visionary to achieve the mandate required of us. Edo University has great potentials to be among the best in the country and even in Africa. In the course of our tenure, I want to assure His Excellency that the institution would achieve the status of the university of first choice. Governing Council looks forward to continuing support from the state government in order to take the university to greater heights. Members of Council do not underestimate the responsibilities and roles expected of us. However, we want to assure His Excellency that we shall deliver on this important assignment.
Make una not forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We not dey take blame. From Government House, Benin City, Ekata Ojiseli, TMC News.